We are going to prepare Jamaican's pineapple ginger juice without Rastafarian green leaves or Rastafarian healing power leaves, which can sometimes make you go gaga. After buying the pineapple, please contact the pineapple farm owner or the producer to verify whether he used organic or artificial fertilizer to plant the pineapple. The pineapple farmer confirmed to me that the pineapple was grown with artificial fertilizer, so I better advise myself. In order to reduce fertilization inside your body, you have to wash the pineapple well with many sponges without soap. Please wash it with only water. After washing it well, we are going to peel the skin away. This type of peeling is called, it is like I like you, it is like I don't like you. We are going to peel it in some way that we can still have little skin on the flesh. After peeling the green skin, we are peeling second time. So the second peeling is what we are going to cook or boil. If you have ever cut full fresh pineapple before, you would realize that the middle of the pineapple is very hard like aluminium or metal. We are going to boil that hard part with the second peeling skin. After that, measure finger size of ginger, divide it by 2, and then smash it or crush it. Do it anyhow you want it, and add it to the pineapple, the hard part, and the second peeling. We are going to boil it together. After having everything ready, your ginger, your second peeling, pineapple, the hard part, then add 2 liters of water. We are going to add 2 liters of water for 1 pineapple, and then add 10 teaspoons of sugar. After adding the sugar, put it on fire and put the lid on it. We want to boil it. Nowadays, gas is expensive, so you have to cover and let it boil fast. While it is into boiling, or while it is boiling slowly for 20 minutes, we are going to blend the soft part of the pineapple. Do you remember the size of the ginger? A finger size. Divide it into 2. I added half of the ginger to the boiling pineapple, and then I'm going to add half lemon or lime to the fresh pineapple and blend it together. Mela, please, when cutting the lemon, cut it into equal parts. You can use tape measurement or ruler. The next thing is called pasteurization. Please, pasteurization simply means a way of preserving food for some time without spoiling. Pasteurization is mostly used by the food industry. It simply means when you throw or you remove the food or whatever you are cooking straight from the fire, straight into the cold water. While it is in the cold water, cover it and let it cool down. After it has cooled down, strain the water and then add some of the water into the fresh pineapple or onto the fresh pineapple. The value is the same. Blend it. After blending it, we are going to strain it. My strainer or the sieve was small. If you have big sieve, just put it inside the sieve and cover it, or just leave it like that for maybe 30 or 1 hour, and all the juice would be extracted. After blending the fresh pineapple, we are going to blend the one that we cooked. After blending, strain it as usual, and then you are ready to enjoy your free pineapple juice. This type of juices are best served during the summer when it is very chill. Thank you for watching Safubafu TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. God richly bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.